Paul Anthony for the Office of Consumer Affairs in the U.S. Department of Health, Education, and Welfare. The Secretary of HEW, Joseph A. Califano, Jr., has a special message on energy for the consumers who are most likely to be affected if there is a shortage of oil and gas. Gas.
Here it comes.
Gas! Cooking with gas.
Cooking with gas.
We all cook better when we're cooking with gas.
Gas is so hot it's not on when it's off. It's the only way to cook. That's what I was taught. Now here's a fact you should have to know to pass. 9 out of 10 chefs only cook with gas. Why is that, you say? Can I cook my way? The benefits we have to tell will really make your day. So listen, class, cause we're gonna go fast. Here are all the reasons you should cook with gas.
I cook with gas cause I'm in control. The flame could be adjusted for the perfect shrimp Creole. The burner's not on when I think it's not. I can simmer, brown, or boil in the same metal pot.
Cooking with gas. Cooking with gas.
We all cook better when we're cooking with gas.